ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਜੀ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ। ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਆਪਣਾ ਮధుਰ ਸਹਿਗਲ ਆਰਪੀਸੀ ਤੋਂ ਅੱਜ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਨ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਜੀ ਸ਼ਿਵਾਂਗ ਮਲਿਕ ਜੀ ਨਾਲ ਐਂਡ ਇਟ ਗਿਵਸ ਮੀ ਅ ਗ੍ਰੇਟ ਪਲੇਜ਼ਰ ਟੂ ਇੰਟਰੋਡਿਊਸ ਹੀ ਇਜ਼ ਦ ਮੈਨੇਜਰ ਆਫ ਨਿਪਸਿੰਗ ਯੂਨੀਵਰਸਿਟੀ Ontario. Welcome sir.
Thanks a lot, Mother. Thanks a lot.
Welcome. So sir, please introduce yourself to our viewers please.
Hello, everyone. My name is Shivang Malik, and I'm the manager India for Nipissing University. As Mother has very rightly introduced, I take care of the India and its nearby regions for the Nipissing University. So today we'll be talking about Nipissing University in detail, the programs that we offer, our location, what are the USPs of the university. And before that, I would like to thank each and every one of you for joining us today, and special thanks to RPC Global for organizing this wonderful session. I guess this is quite a good opportunity for the students who want to get information on the institutes where they want to pursue their higher education from, especially in Canada. So stay tuned and we'll have more interactive things to talk about today.
Yeah. So sir, tell me about the location of the Nipissing University, please.
So Mother, Nipissing University is located in the city of North Bay of Ontario, province of Canada. We are basically in the northern part of Ontario, located at a distance of 3.5 hours away from Toronto by road and 4 hours away from Ottawa by road. If we talk about the nearest city, it is Sudbury, which is 1 hour drive from Nipissing University campus. North Bay downtown is another 7 to 8 minutes drive from the campus.
Fantastic.
The nearest airport is 10 minutes drive. University campus, and quite beautifully located. We are surrounded by mountains. We've got lakes, beaches. Being an average North American town, we have got shopping malls, multiplex restaurants, everything. So just to talk about North Bay in detail, it's a mid-sized town with a population of roughly 56,000 people. But especially for the students, our visa success are very high.
Okay.
Then our cost of living is very affordable. And then majority of our students work on campus because we provide such opportunities to our students.
That's fantastic, sir. That's fantastic. It's a public university?
It's a public university.
All right, great. And I believe it offers post-study work permit as well to the students after they finish their education.
Absolutely. We are a government university, and if a student is completing 1 year of program with us, they will get 1 year of post-graduation work permit. If they are completing 2 years of program or maybe 3 years or 4 years of program, they'll be getting a 3 years of post-study work permit.
All right.
Once they graduate from Nipissing.
Fantastic, fantastic. Sir, if we talk about English requirements, if you can just elaborate that, please.
So for Nipissing University, we accept IELTS, PT, TOEFL, and Duolingo.
Oh,
so
great.
We accept wide range of programs. For IELTS, it has to be 6.5 in each of the modules. For PT, it has to be 58 overall with no module less than 56. TOEFL has to be 83 overall with no subject less than 22. Or Duolingo has to be an overall score of 110.
Oh, fantastic. So students, as Shivang sir has just told us that, Duolingo, PTE, IELTS, so it's a great opportunity for all you guys. Even if you have any of those courses, you can apply and contact RPC. Shivang sir, I just want to ask you about the courses, course fees and all, please.
So Nipissing University offers undergraduate degree programs, post-baccalaureate diplomas, post-baccalaureate certificates, and master's degree program. So we can talk about programs in detail, but before that, I want to tell that our tuition fee is fixed for any of the programs, be it undergrad, post-baccalaureate, or masters.
Oh,
for 1 year of tuition fee, it's 19,325 Canadian dollars.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
Yeah. Fantastic, fantastic. And what would the application fees for applying for the offer letters?
For undergraduate degree programs, the application fee is 110 Canadian dollars.
Okay.
Post-baccalaureate diplomas, post-baccalaureate certificates, the application fee is again 110 Canadian dollars. Whereas for master's degree program, the application fee is 130 Canadian dollars.
Definitely. Shivang sir, I just want to ask you, as been into this industry for so long, that studying in a university definitely holds a greater value rather than students studying in a college, right?
Absolutely, absolutely. Yeah. Because generally, only universities will offer you a degree, whereas the colleges will offer you a diploma. That's the basic difference. And once you actually land up into the job market, degree people are always given preference rather than the diploma holders. The scenario is very similar in India as well as in Canada. So if a student has a degree, it definitely makes their permanent settlement opportunities, their job prospects quite higher than that of a diploma.
ਫੈਂਟੈਸਟਿਕ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟਸ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਸ਼ਿਵਾਂਗ ਸਰ ਨੇ ਹੁਣੇ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਕਿ ਯੂਨੀਵਰਸਿਟੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪੜਨ ਨਾਲ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਡਿਗਰੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵਾਂਸ ਯੂ ਗੈਟ ਦ ਡਿਗਰੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਪੋਸਟ ਸਟੱਡੀ ਵਰਕ ਪਰਮਿਟ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜੌਬਸ ਲਈ ਬਹੁਤ ਬੈਨੀਫਿਟ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਪਲੱਸ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਪੀਆਰ ਆਪਸ਼ਨਸ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਬੈਨੀਫਿਟ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਐਂਡ ਇਟਸ ਆਲਵੇਜ਼ ਬੈਟਰ ਟੂ ਸਟੱਡੀ ਇਨ ਅ ਯੂਨੀਵਰਸਿਟੀ ਐਂਡ ਗੈਟਿੰਗ ਅ ਡਿਗਰੀ ਸਰ ਇਫ ਯੂ ਕੈਨ ਟੈਲ ਅਸ ਅਬਾਊਟ ਯੋਰ ਪੀਜੀ ਐਂਡ ਯੂਜੀ ਕੋਰਸਿਸ ਪਲੀਜ਼
Okay. So I'll start with the undergraduate degree programs first.
Yeah.
So Nipissing University offers a variety of undergraduate degree programs. So for students coming from science background, maybe with medical or medical with maths or medical without maths, or maybe non-medical student, that means physics, chemistry, and mathematics students. Nipissing University offers variety of programs. We offer BSc Biology, BSc Environmental Biology and Technology. We offer BSc Nursing, Bachelor of Physical and Health Education. We offer BSc Computer Science, which is equivalent to Computer Science Engineering. We offer BSc Psychology, BSc Mathematics, such program. For commerce students, we offer Bachelors of Business Administration programs, Bachelor of Business Administration programs. Students from without maths background also apply, which is quite an add-on advantage. We offer 11 specializations into our BBA programs.
Great.
And after that, we have Bachelor of Arts into anthropology, child and family studies, classical study, gender equality, social studies, fine arts, liberal arts, such programs. So over and above, Nipissing University offers more than 39 undergraduate degree programs to its
fantastic.
International students.
That's great. That's great.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Talking about post-baccalaureate programs, Nipissing University offers. Yeah, please, Madhur, if you want to ask anything, please go ahead.
Yeah, go on, please. Yes, please.
Okay. So Nipissing University also offers 2 years of post-baccalaureate diploma in finance, marketing, human resource, international business, and business administration. We offer 1 year of post-baccalaureate certificates in general business management and human resource management. For post-baccalaureate diplomas and certificates, any background student, arts, science, hotel management, fashion technology, BCA, BTech students can also apply. Then we offer master's degree program. We offer Master of Arts in History, Sociology. We offer Master of Environmental Science, Master of Environmental Studies, Master of Science in Kinesiology, Master of Science in Mathematics, such programs.
I must say, Nipissing University offers fantastic courses and it caters all the categories. Sir, हमारे पंजाब में basically कई बार हमने देखा है कि there is an issue of gap. So, does university accept students with gaps? Please, if you can, इसके बारे में बताइए.
Absolutely, Madhur. Because we are a public university, gap is definitely not an issue for us. So even if we have a student who has maybe 8 to 10 years of work experience, prerequisite documents, that means they're expert and all of that stuff. So gap is definitely not an issue if a student wants to pursue their education from Nipissing.
Okay. Sir, what is the offer letter turnaround time? In how much time बच्चा कितनी देर में offer letter ले सकता है?
Turnaround time for the applications?
Yes, sir, for the offer letter. Once we apply for the, offer letter, yeah. In how many days student can get offer letters?
So for undergraduate degree programs, for undergraduate degree program, post-baccalaureate diplomas and certificates, the offer letter turnaround time is approximately 15 days, 15 days. Whereas for master's degree program, the turnaround time is approximately 8 weeks.
Okay, that's reasonable. And I would also like if some students wants to apply for the scholarships. What does Nipissing University offers for the students who are looking for scholarships, please?
So Nipissing University offers a variety of scholarships. So on an average, more than 55% of our university university students secure the entrance level scholarships. So if a student has 80 to 84% marks in class 12, they will be eligible for a $1,500 of scholarship. If they have 85 to 89% marks, they will be eligible for a $2,500 of scholarship. In case they have 90% and above, they will be eligible for a $7,000 of scholarship.
Okay, that's fantastic. Sir, as we all know that world is battling with COVID-19 right now. So university is offering any online courses for the students if they apply?
Yes, Mother, that particularly for September intake, all of our programs has been moved online. So
Okay,
if a student wants to pursue their education in September, they will have to do it the first term online. And from second semester onwards, that is second term onwards, they can move to campus and attend their classes offline.
right, fantastic.
But considering the current COVID-19 situation, we are also offering our students the conditional applications. So if they have not received their class 12th result, or if they are not able to appear for their language test, they can apply for a conditional offer letter as well.
Okay, that's fantastic. So students, as you have heard Shivang sir explaining all the details about the NIPSING universities, such wonderful courses they offer, and I strongly believe that, once you study into this university, you can really make up your career and settle in Canada. So Shivang sir, thank you very much for coming on RPC platform. I really appreciate that you have taken time for us. Thank you so very much, sir.
Thanks a lot, Madhur. And for all our students, I would like to request that if they want to go ahead with their applications, they can get in touch with RPC Global. They
Right.
have a very competent team, and I'm very sure that any query that a student might have, they'll be more than happy to resolve it for you. And I would once again like to thank all the viewers for staying tuned for today's session, and special thanks to RPC Global for organizing this wonderful interaction. And thanks to Madhur, my co-host for today. I mean, that was
Perfect.
wonderful interacting
It's
with
been
you.
absolutely pleasure, sir. Thank you so very much for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Take care.
Take
Bye-bye.
care. Thank you.